How to restrict group chat in Messenger. So if you want to restrict a group chat in Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Make sure to log into your account. And once you open your Messenger, now if you want to restrict someone individually, then you can tap and hold on to that person's account, and then you will get a restrict option here right on the bottom. So you can restrict that. But if you want to restrict a group, a whole group chat, then what you can do is simply tap and hold on to that group chat, and here you won't have restrict option, but you can individually restrict everyone on the group chat, and then you will restrict the whole group chat. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply tap on archive, and archive is also basically same as restrict. You can simply tap on archive, or you may have ignore option. You can simply choose ignore or archive. So these are basically same thing as restrict, but on group chats you don't have a restrict option. Instead of that, you will have archive or ignore group option. So simply tap on that and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can restrict group chat in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.